The Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas is a square-based pyramid. That means all the sides are equal. That is 646 feet wide. At the base and 350 feet tall. So from the base, the square base, to the apex, the highest point, 350 feet tall. If the outer walls of the hotel are covered in glass, what was the minimum amount of glass used for the exterior? So what this is saying is that for the foundation, the square base, they didn't have to use any glass. So they're going to exclude the square base because you don't need to have it where you're standing. You can just have a nice concrete floor, real wood. I've never been there, so I wouldn't know what they use for it. But you could have something other than glass, because glass wouldn't be such a great floor type in this situation if they want the minimum. So right here, we're using surface area, so we want to know how much covers it, which is equal to length, or slant height, plus the perimeter divided by 2, plus the base. Well, they said the minimum. They don't want to use what's on the floor, so we're not going to use the base here. All we want to know is the surface area of all this right here. So it's called the lateral area, but we'll just keep it something like this. All right, and so right away I can see that we have a perimeter we can find. So let's get that found out. So we have our perimeter as a square, not drawing the scale of course. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times s, which is equal to 4 times 646 feet. 646 times 4. We get a perimeter of 2,584 feet. Next thing we need to do is we need to find a lateral height. Lateral height is just the height of the triangles that makes up the pyramid. We don't know that. We don't know. Since we do have a square base, we can use this length as half of 646. So I'm going to cut that in half and show you. We can't cut our height in half because that's given 350 feet. Here, 646 divided by 2. 646 divided by 2 gives us 323. And then right here is our lateral height. We don't know it. We'll use the Pythagorean theorem. So the way we're going to go about it, 350 feet squared plus 323 feet squared equals the lateral height squared. So let's just do 323, 104,000, so plus 104,329 feet squared. 350, 122,500 feet squared equals the lateral height squared. Add this to the 104, 329. We get 226, 829 equals the lateral height squared. Square root. So we get this nice weird number, 476. So what I'm going to do is just keep it as this 226,829 square rooted. So I don't want to round it to the very end, okay? That's our lateral height. So what I'm going to do, keep that in the calculator and just write it out as an L, or you can do it like that. So our surface or lateral surface area of the glass would be square root 226,829, don't round to the very end, feet times the perimeter, which we got earlier. Should have highlighted that so I can see it right away. 2,584 feet, and then divided by 2. So times, that's this number square rooted, times 2,584 equals, divided by 2. Our surface area, the amount of glass they need to cover, would be 615,335.261 feet squared. Alright, so what they would need here would be 615,335.26 or 261 feet squared. This 6 won't round up because the 1 is less than 5, so our final answer is 615,335.26 feet squared. There you have it.